Here I have a 2025 Chevy Colorado with a 2.7 liter engine, and I'm gonna give a quick rundown how to do the oil change. Your oil fill cap is right there, and then right next to it with the yellow handle is your dipstick, so they make it very easy. And at the bottom there's no cover or anything. They make it very easy. You got a 15 millimeter drain bolt right there, and then right next to it you got the oil filter. The torque for that drain plug is 18 foot-pounds. And then right here it specifies if it has an aluminum oil pan. Apparently there is a plastic aluminum pan, so just be wary of that. The oil filter number is PF66. If you want to reuse, AC Delco, get the AC Delco one. And you want to fill it back up with 5.5 quarts. It is 530. You want to use Dexel's oil, and it kind of specifies that you want to use Dexel's 1 Generation 2. And when you're looking at your gallon of oil, you make sure that it says that. Usually I get whatever's cheaper at Walmart, whatever's full synthetic and has Dexos. But if you see here, there's a different bottle also. It says Dexos 1 Generation 3. So I'm guessing whatever is Generation 2 and above. And then to reset your oil life, you want to turn your car on. There you see it says change oil. You don't do it through that screen anymore. You do it through the middle screen right here. You press home. You go to vehicle status, and then right down here where it says maintenance, your oil life should be right there. And then just press reset. Also, what you can do, this still works where you press down on the gas pedal 3 times, but you have to have ignition on, engine off. And then you can see here I press on the gas pedal 3 times, and then it'll just reset on its own. And you didn't even have to go through the menus. So that still works. But if you go through here, you just press reset again, and same effect. So hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know.